Artificial intelligence is advancing at a remarkable pace and transforming numerous industries. From finance to healthcare, companies are integrating AI to automate processes and enhance productivity. However, this technological revolution has also raised concerns about its potential impact on employment. Will AI eliminate jobs or create new opportunities? This question has sparked an intense debate across the globe. Through an in-depth exploration, this video aims to provide a definitive answer regarding AI's role as a job killer or job creator. So, let's get started. The integration of artificial intelligence into businesses and work processes has been steadily increasing over the past decade. According to Swiss Cognitive, AI is already a $60 billion industry that is growing rapidly each year. From customer service chatbots to robotic process automation in HR, AI has permeated virtually every sector. Applications like Grammarly leverage natural language processing to provide capabilities beyond human capacity. The healthcare industry utilizes AI algorithms to accelerate drug discovery and improve diagnostic accuracy. Even creative fields like graphic design face disruption with AI tools that can generate images and art. While enhancing efficiency and capabilities, these advancements have understandably caused apprehension about their impact on human roles and jobs. Given AI's prowess in automating routine and data-driven tasks, its implementation has significantly affected certain occupations. Lower-skilled jobs like customer service and clerical work have faced the highest risk of displacement from process automation. Per the IMF, up to 60% of jobs in advanced economies may experience partial or full automation from AI. The scale of disruption also varies across industries. For instance, The Guardian reported in 2021 how tennis tournaments have employed AI line judge systems to entirely replace human umpires. Similarly, AI is exceeding human capabilities in financial market analysis and graphic design, creative fields once considered impervious to automation. While boosting efficiency, such automation has reduced hiring needs and opportunities in affected roles. Careers that involve predictable physical and cognitive work are most susceptible to displacement by AI systems designed to reliably perform specialized tasks. However, it would be myopic to portray AI's influence as solely destructive. In truth, intelligent systems have also birthed entire new categories of jobs, even as they obsolete others. For example, the proliferation of shared mobility through ride-hailing apps created employment for millions of drivers globally. Similarly, the deployment of AI in banking has expanded credit access for small businesses, resulting in new entrepreneurial and SMB employment. Besides enabling new markets and services, AI also generates jobs for its own maintenance and improvement. The Guardian mentioned the expanded teams of video assistant referees needed to monitor soccer matches. Educational institutions are also creating specialized AI degree programs to meet growing talent demand. While replacing humans for repetitive tasks, AI is clearly also creating complementary and altogether novel roles for humans. For instance, they highlight the increasing demand for AI developers and related specialists to build and implement AI systems. As AI restructures workplace needs and skills, adapting the workforce for this transition is crucial. Experts stress that rather than fighting against automation, humans must focus on developing uniquely human strengths. As socio-technical systems, businesses must facilitate continuous learning and development opportunities for their employees. Initiatives like Coursera help workers upskill by learning digital skills like data analytics, programming, and AI. Similarly, governments are also launching reskilling programs to prepare citizens for the future economy. Such active reskilling and retraining will allow more people to remain employed and harness AI's potential, rather than be rendered obsolete by it. Adaptable mindsets and collaborative skills to work with AI will be vital across professions. To ensure AI promotes employment fairly and responsibly, its development and use must have adequate ethical safeguards. Issues like biased dataset discrimination, lack of transparency in AI decisions, and even fundamental questions of decision-making autonomy come into play here. That is why frameworks like the EU's ethics guidelines for trustworthy AI emphasize values like accountability and fairness in AI systems. Responsible AI practices, such as documented testing processes, diversity in data sources, and employee training, help mitigate adverse social impacts. Since AI is still in a nascent stage, laying the groundwork for ethical AI now is vital to prevent future harms, including disproportionate job displacement among minority groups. Given their different economic contexts, AI's impact on employment varies across countries and regions. Developed countries with higher wage rates have experienced more automation of factory jobs and service roles. For emerging economies, AI and automation have boosted job growth in their flourishing IT sector. However, poor nations at the early stages of industrialization face the greatest risk of premature job displacement before attaining broader economic prosperity. Addressing this requires inclusive growth policies that can expand education and upgrade workforce skills. Such customized strategies, aligned with a region's economic maturity, are needed globally. The jobs of the future are hard to predict, but certain emerging industries provide clues. For instance, the transition to a greener economy is projected to generate millions of new jobs worldwide. AI applications can help build more sustainable products, model the climate impact of investments, and track environmental metrics. This green wave will likely boost employment in engineering, urban planning, operations, and compliance roles. The metaverse is another new frontier of opportunity. Virtual worlds require 3D designers, game developers, user experience experts, and AI engineers to become mainstream. While automating some tasks, AI will play a key role in enabling these new industries to flourish and create novel, meaningful work. Rather than displace human roles, responsible AI deployment can actually empower people to achieve more. For example, AI writing assistants like Jasper and Writer help copywriters be more productive by automating initial drafts. In healthcare, AI aids doctors by processing and analyzing more data than possible manually, while the doctor interprets final recommendations. Blending automated strengths like speed and pattern detection with human strengths like creativity and critical thinking results in the best outcomes. According to Swiss Cognitive, AI is a collaborator rather than a competitor. It excels at collecting and analyzing data, but cannot build relationships or understand emotions as humans can. Such collaborative human-AI partnerships that recognize the unique capabilities of both sides can be mutually beneficial. The answer to whether AI is primarily destructive or constructive for employment is, it depends, but the outlook is overall positive for humanity. AI undeniably destroys certain jobs through automation, but these are mainly repetitive and unsafe roles that humans should not be doing anyway. Responsible AI adoption that respects people's dignity can alleviate drudgery and enable more meaningful livelihoods. With prudent ethics and proactive adaptation, communities worldwide can harness AI to expand economic opportunity. Rather than resist progress, we must shape technology to align with human values and aspirations. If cultivated thoughtfully, AI can elevate people to achieve their creative, social, and economic potential in harmony with intelligent machines. So now, what are your thoughts on AI's impact on the job market? We welcome perspectives from all sides. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below.